Hi, this is Rishi from Toronto, Canada. I've enrolled in this course. FLL runs ASM from NetMinion, conducted by Mr. Radhe Verma. It is a great learning experience for me. I've learned a lot from Mr. Radhe Verma, who is a very knowledgeable instructor, very valuable, and he's able to teach us in a very clear manner. Mr. Radhe Verma has got vast knowledge. He will help you prepare for the real world scenarios. If you take this course, ASM, definitely you'll be doing well in the real world scenarios. And Mr. Radhe Verma gave me good examples, not only theoretical but also practical. Practically, how he configured the GUI graphical user interface of ASM was explained in a very clear and lucid manner, and I'm very impressed by this teaching, Mr. Radhe Verma, and it was a great experience for me. I've learned a lot, and anybody can benefit from this training, and especially if you take this training, you'll get prepared for the real world, and get a good job with a good pay scale. And so overall, it's been a positive experience for me. I've learned a lot, and it was a great time knowing Mr. Radhe Verma, and his teaching was excellent. I recommend this course to anybody who wants to undertake FI Balance ASM. And this course was finished within about a month, 4 weekends. So timing also was very flexible. The weekends I was able to do study in the weekend. It was very flexible since I work during the weekdays. And thank you so much for the NetMinions, and thank you, Mr. Radhe Verma, for giving a great learning experience. Thank you very much.